Hola clase. In this unit, we will be looking at the stem changing preterite verbs. Now, not all the verbs will match up with the ones you studied in present tense as stem changing, and the stem change also may be slightly different. So you need to relearn or learn this material on its own. One of the main things that you'll notice is that in the present tense, there was something called a boot, where the stem change, if a verb had one, would occur in yo, tú, él, ella, and in ellos, ellas. Those four forms forming the shape of a boot. But in the preterite, stem changes, when they occur, only affect the third person. La suela del zapato, the sole of the boot or the shoe. So here we have two stem changes that are possible. Verbs can go to either from E to I or O to U. Those are our two stem changes in the preterite. And these verbs, they're very few in number because they have to be IR verbs. So that eliminates all ER and AR verbs. And they have to already be stem changing in the present tense. So that eliminates all the other verbs that were never stem changing in the present tense. So from all the stem changing verbs in the present tense, we take only the IR verbs, and the stem changes can go E to I or O to U, and only in third person. So pedir, pedí, pediste, pidió. Pedimos, pedisteis, pidieron. The stem change E to I. One that has an O, dormir, dormí, dormiste, durmió. Dormimos, dormisteis, durmieron. Again, stem change in third person only. Bien? So to repeat, they have to be stem changing in the present tense. They have to be IR verbs. And they're only stem changing in third person. So remember those three things. Study your verbs, learn them well, and then go on to the practices. You have quite a few practices for this because they happen to be extremely common verbs as well. Muy bien, pues. That's about it for now. Gracias. Hasta luego.